In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the sticker feature built into iOS 17 to make app icons into stickers so you can use them in thumbnails and other videos and photos. Using the stickers feature means that you no longer have to make sure that a specific image is a PNG image. I'm going to make a thumbnail for a short AI-generated video that I created about how to update apps in iOS 17. This is a common skill that we all need to use. The first thing that you're going to do is go to Google and search for iOS 17 and then make sure images is selected. Here you can see that you've got a copy subject option when you long press on this iOS 17 image. If this is the image that you want to save, you can save it to your camera roll by tapping on Save Image. I do this because although you can copy the subject directly from the internet website, in this case Google, if you want to use the same image later, it's best to save it to your phone first. When you make a thumbnail for YouTube, you've got to be aware that all YouTube videos have a timestamp in the bottom right-hand corner. It's important that you keep this in mind when you're designing a thumbnail. Take a screenshot of your finished thumbnail inside CapCut and save it to your photo roll. Remember to open the screenshot editor and crop the photo like this so that just the thumbnail portion of this screenshot is visible. Then tap Done and tap Save to Photos. Next, you'll open up Photos. Next, you'll want to tap on Edit in the upper right-hand corner, tap on the markup tools, and tap on the plus sign. Here you have an Add Sticker option. If you tap on it, you get your sticker panel. Tap on the plus sign to select the photo that you saved. Notice when you tap on Add Sticker, it automatically removes the background and puts it into your sticker panel. Then you can long press on it and tap on Add Effect. In this case, because I'm using it on a thumbnail, I want to add the white outline. Then when the sticker appears on the photo, just drag it into the position that you want. But be careful not to long press, because if you do, you'll get the context menu. To resize the sticker, you need to use one of the handles in the corners. I'm going to place this iOS 17 logo between the hands of my AI character. Tap Done, save the photo, and then go to the YouTube Studio app. Upload the thumbnail. The thumbnail looks like this, so it should look fine on YouTube. The last step is to tap on Select and then open up the YouTube app and refresh it to look at the changes in your thumbnail design. Swipe up to close YouTube Studio and open up the normal YouTube app. Once you do, you may need to pull down to update the thumbnail. That's what the thumbnail looks like. Watch this video recommended by YouTube. This playlist contains more tutorials just like this one. Don't forget to tap on the notification bell once you've subscribed so you're notified when I upload a new video. Join me next time.